Hi everyone, welcome back. Before we start, make sure to like the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel for more coding tutorials. Now let's continue our chatbot series. In the previous video, we built a chatbot using if-else, but everything was written in one place. So in this video, we are going to make it clean using functions. So first and foremost, you need to open your wished compiler, or you can use VS Code also. I'm using online compiler. So first, let's create a function to handle it. So type with me def get response user input. Now inside this function we'll cover the input to lowercase so that it works for any case. Now let's add our conditions. And next condition, I'm just a bot, but I'm doing great. Now add one more. I'm just tying a bye here. So for this I'm just returning goodbye. So add this, like if nothing matches, we need to add a default response also, right? So that condition we will add it as an else block. So here I'm just adding some written like sorry, some message like that. Sorry, yeah, sorry, I don't understand that. So next we create another function to run the chatbot. So for that I'm creating another function, run chatbot. This is another function which I'm creating, and inside this we loop so it keeps running. Okay, for that I'm just using while here, while true. Now take the input from the user. I'm creating input, user input of you. Now we pass this response into our function. Response get underscore response of user input. Add a print bot response. Okay, now we're just adding a print statement to so bot. So here I'm adding the response, whatever I get. Now let's add an exit condition also here. Okay, so if user underscore input dot lower by. Now I'm breaking it. So finally, we call the functions to start the chatbot. So for that, we need to just run this chatbot, run underscore chatbot. I'm just calling this function. Now run this and test it. I'm just clicking on this run. Now it is showing you. I'm just entering hello. Okay, we got some issue. Where it is exactly? Somewhere we have added some. So most of the issues are related to spelling mistakes and a few other some issues. So you see it now the bot is responding to us. So I'm just adding how are you? It is giving I'm just a bot, but I'm doing it great. Now I'm just adding buy here. So let's have buy. Now it should stop it, execution stop. So now our chatbot is much cleaner. We separated logic into one function and execution into another. This is very important when you build bigger projects. That's it for this video. Try adding your own responses and experiment with it. In the next video, we'll make into this chatbot even smarter. See you there. Thank you for watching.